It's a brave move to challenge Apple's iPhone X, particularly when the phones you're putting up against it cost less than a fifth of the price. But that's exactly what Honor is doing with the 7A and 7C, two budget handsets equipped with Face Unlock technology that the company claims will recognise you and unlock your phone even faster than Apple's flagship can manage. They don't use depth mapping technology like the iPhone X, however, so whether the method is as secure remains to be seen. The Honor 7C is the more expensive of the two handsets. It's got a 6-inch display, a metal body, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 processor, and 3GB of RAM. There's a dual camera too, a 13-megapixel main sensor with a 2-megapixel backup that lets you shoot portraits with artistic out-of-focus backgrounds. The 7C also has a fingerprint scanner in case you don't fancy using your face to access your phone. The cheaper 7A has a single 13-megapixel rear camera, a stripped-back processor, and a shell made from plastic rather than metal. Interestingly, both phones have front-facing flashes to illuminate your selfies in the dark. The phones are due to go on sale later this month in the UK for £170 and £140 for the 7C and 7A respectively, although the company has yet to officially say whether they'll make it to US or Australian stores.